Exotics. I sound like all radio voiced, and I don't mean to, but we're going to try something a little different today, because we just like trying everything a little different. We're going to do a little voiceover narration. This is Rowdy's first time on the track, and it's going to be kind of some raw footage, and I didn't want to edit too much out because it's just kind of cool to see it in its natural form too. So anyway, that's our setup there at the NASA event. You can see there's a ton of cars there. I would guess there's somewhere around 300 cars there all together, which is kind of cool because they all kind of came in at the same time too. So where I'm headed right now is to grid. I'll be taking a right, and the gridding up for HPDE 3, and I think it's the same for 1 and 2 as well, is like first come first serve. You want to try to partner up if it's like a partner drill, and we've already done an hour of classroom before we're going on the track now at this point. And I know, guys, that sounds boring, classroom, but it's really not. It's very interesting and engaging, because you're getting ready to do the next drill and also discussing the last drill, and then these drills kind of build on each other, to excel us towards the end of the weekend, where we actually get to do mock restarts and stuff like that. So I'm gridded up at the end because I took too damn long to get all my belts and shit on. And my partner that I intended on partnering with is way up in front now, so I'm kind of shit out of luck there. So I'll just find a partner on the track, and what we're doing is, it's called a mini passing drill. And a mini passing means that it's just 2 cars, it's the 2 of us, and you're with a dance partner, and you are trying to immediately get out on the track and start passing as many times as you can in a certain period of time. And I'm sorry about the wind noise, guys. You're going to hear some of that. I thought the GoPro would cancel it out, but it didn't, so I'm very sorry for that. No, I'm just trying to catch up to somebody to see, hey, you want to dance? And this Miata decided he wanted to, which is awesome, because Miatas are very fun to play with. They're very agile, and in a passing drill like this, they have the advantage, not me. You'll see anytime we get separated, it's just because my dumb car has lots of horsepower. And I'll try not to talk too much, but that's just part of my deal. So continue watching. Probably could do a little bit better job of explaining where we are. We're at Autobahn, and this is the South Course, which is like 2.2 miles long. Looks like I found a dance partner, my buddy in the black Miata, who's freaking kick-ass awesome. And for those of you guys that think, oh, Miata, well, I'm sorry, but they are pretty cool to just play with on the track. I mean, they're just cool, man. Look how much faster you can get around and make moves, and I got big dumb Nascar. But this is Autobahn in Joliet, Illinois, and this is the NASA Great Lakes Series, which they have a racing series. You've probably heard of the NASA events. They've got, ST1, ST2, and Unlimited, Super Unlimited, stuff like that, which are like these jet fighter-looking cars. But before you do wheel-to-wheel racing, you can't just go out and get your, well, you can. There are certain places you can go get your dumb license, but NASA requires that you do at least 4 HPDE 3 events before you advance to HPDE 4, where they determine if you are good for wheel-to-wheel or TT2 or etc. And I believe that the TT time trial comes once you graduate into 4, but again, I'll defer to the rule for that, because I know it's very specific. But right now we run with all the different cars, and you can see we have discussed in the classroom at length, as me and this Miata, which is totally kick-ass, are just working our way up through this group. And we all understand what we're supposed to be doing and what we're looking for, even the cars in front. Cars in front, you're slower. We're coming. Make some room, because me and the Mia, we're gonna kick your bones in, And there's cars sometimes that don't move, and we just have to continue to present ourselves adequately until they get the fuck out of the way. So now we're moving ahead. They do like to throw a surprise, ambulances on the track. Like literally, they'll have a friggin' ambulance going like 30 miles an hour on the track, and we're racing around them. And being aware of, acknowledging them, slowing down, but right now we're having one. This is a red flag event, so we're stopped in the closest corner in the line of sight of a corner worker, and now our instructions are to wait. And you can hear I stalled the car stalled itself because I came to that abrupt stop. And you notice all the little cars around me were able to stop much faster than Brutus, the Nascar. So we wait for the gal off the upper left-hand corner there to stop waving the red flag and issue the. Typically, I guess stranger things have happened, but because it could go green. But it's typically we are waiting for a yellow flag. Which is then we can start the vehicles and be aware and start to pick up speed until we see the green, and then it's on like Donkey freaking Kong again. And which means at this point it'll be open laps and you'll be able to see Rowdy's closing rate, which is pretty ridiculous because we got this white Porsche that is going to make a kind of a shady move, but that's cool. I'm good with that. I'm good with that, brother. I think he's one of the HPD 4 guys, and it's time for Rowdy to put himself to work. See if he can keep up with that little white Porsche. And again, guys, sorry about the wind noise. Once it picks up like that, I'll just kind of jump in and talk us through this. But right now, I was just kind of chilling back to see if my Miata buddy was going to catch up to me after the red flag. Actually, I'm not sure where he went or if he. I know somebody broke an axle, but I hope that wasn't him. But, did not see him right away after that. So now we're just kind of chilling out, seeing who we can play with, maybe we can, that type of deal. I mean, we kind of get wadded up on traffic a little bit. So, that corner right there, we're gonna get our fucking hell tomorrow. just not using that appropriately.
Alright, so we catch up with this pack of Mias and whatnot. They're going back and forth, and somebody decides to make just kind of a dick face move, because my arms were clearly inside the window, which is fine. I'm not. He's probably HPD 4. I don't care, and it's not the point by that I'm even worried about. It's just he kind of dive bombs into the corner up here. When we're all wadded up, and I'm fine with that. Like, we're gonna do that. It's cool. But then he kind of runs himself off the track, and I didn't know that we were, just like that. I didn't know we were gonna play like that, so I decided, okay, we'll fucking play that game. Stretch Roddy's legs a little bit. See if we can't take a little lap. I mean, you can't just expect to pass Rowdy with a Sherman-built vehicle and not see some kind of consequences. But I like to play by the rules, and I wait for play-bys. Like Jacques Cousteau up there. I'm just playing by the rules right now.